Hey, welcome to my channel. So my name is Lori and today I'm going to be doing this makeup look. My channel is usually about makeup, hair, wigs, stuff like that, but today I'm going to focus on this makeup look. It's a pretty easy daytime look that I'm pretty sure anybody could do if you just follow what I do here. So yeah, I'm just going to get right into it and I really hope that you enjoy watching. Okay, so I'm definitely going to be starting with my eyeshadow as usual. So I'm going to put the Maybelline Master Prime. Next, I'm going to do like a pinkish type of soft eyeshadow look. So I have like different palettes in front of me. I have the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil, and I also have the my MAC like eyeshadow palettes that I have, the individual ones. So I'm gonna start with my brushes. Let me bring them over. So yeah, I'm going to start with this brush and I'm going to be doing probably like a lighter color to start, like up here, which is not something that I typically do. But yeah, I'm going to take this, oh, I just noticed this really nice kind of like a brownish shade right here from the Brazil palette. It's like this brown color. I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of like it's really like a nice brownish color. So I'm going to take that, top it off a little bit, and I'm just going to put it right like over here. Kind of just softly get it in there. Okay, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. This one is really, there's a lot of fallout, so I would definitely pat it off a little bit before you put it on. But yeah, definitely skincare is definitely very important because I have like hypoallergenic and like very sensitive skin. I'm not sure why. It could be the water, or there's several possibilities. I'm not sure, but I definitely have to take extra care to make sure that I don't break out or whatever the case may be. Next, now that I put that, I think I'm going to go ahead and add like a darker shade I'm going to do the black. That's what I had in my mind, and this black from the MAC palette is muted. It's kind of soft, so I don't really have to worry about it coming on like too strong. So I'm just going to put that right underneath what I did, just to darken it up a little bit. I'm sorry. And plus this brush is quite big, so it'll be more spread out as I lay it down. Okay, so I'm going to spend a little bit more time just sort of going back and forth, because blending is the name of the game for putting on eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this one here from the MAC palette. I like it a lot. It's this pink one right here. So I'm gonna put that, and I'm just gonna pat it on. I'm definitely thinking about getting some of the ColourPop, their glitter shadows, because I've seen a lot of people trying them on Instagram, and it looks really nice, and they're affordable too. So yeah, I'm gonna probably do like a look on that. You should follow me on Instagram because I take pictures from time to time, just to, you know, rock different looks when I get like an idea. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put that on. I'm gonna take a different brush because it's not really coming on like how I would like. So that's done. I'm kind of go over what I did before with the brown and the black. I have this. It's MAC Pink Sensibilities, and I'm just gonna go over there. There's like, if I could get it open. Okay, it looks like this. It's like a shades of purple, pink, and like a darker colors. So I think I'm gonna go over like what I did a little bit, like up here, and kind of take the darker shades in here, like maybe this one and that one. And yeah, kind of go over this part. I think it would look better. I'm just bringing it in a little bit. Yeah, that definitely looks better. Kind of just more into like everyday kind of like makeup looks, you know, just trying to just enhance like what I already have. And that's what I kind of like, what I focus on too when I'm like doing other people's makeup. Obviously, yeah, I want to be creative with it too, but I like to just enhance like what you have to give it like the best version. So that's just kind of what I'm trying to accomplish. I don't really like to wear heavy makeup because I don't think it looks good on my skin type. So I think I'm pretty much done. If I had like a glitter, I would put like that. I do have this, which is kind of glittery. It's a Makeup Forever artist palette. Boche Mono Vide or so, but yeah, it's like a pink, like I guess it's kind of glittery, but like not to the max, you know. So I'm gonna apply that just because I do want it to be like a little bit richer. So I'm gonna apply that on top of my lid. Obviously I took like a different brush, smaller one. Like you have to, like, if you want to know what looks good on you or what looks look nice on you, you definitely have to try out different things to really find out what's more flattering to you. So kind of like experimenting with makeup, playing with it, and seeing what looks nice and seeing what doesn't look nice. What doesn't look nice. But so far so good. I think this is okay. Nothing too crazy, soft, and you know, and pretty, soft and cute. So what I have like a pink eyeliner. Yeah, so I'm gonna put that on. I have not used it before, so I'm gonna try it out for the first time today. Because this one is like a colored eyeliner, you can go make it as like thick as you want. And I think you could probably even put this on like the whole lid. But no, that's why I want like a glitter, like something like a glitter, the eyeshadow that's actually meant for that. So I'm gonna be ordering that today or later today. Just for, you know, that pop of color. I guess that's why they call it Color Pop. Okay, so I think that's okay. So yeah, time to remove the stuff from my eyelashes, like for real. That's not cool at all. So I just took a Q-tip and I dipped it in eye makeup remover. I'm just gonna try to rub it on my eyelash. Being careful not to remove the eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm just gonna remove the makeup from under here. I'm gonna put on my foundation, and today I'm gonna be using the Cover FX foundation. The natural finish foundation, and I have G60 and G70. So I'm going to start by putting on G60, and I'm going to put G70 up here. I think you have to mix it because it's like kind of a bit strange. I haven't used it in a while. So yeah, I'm just gonna blend that out with foundation brush. Okay, now that I've blended that out pretty good, I'm just gonna take a little sponge just to remove and absorb any excess. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my mascara. I'm not gonna be wearing any false lashes today. And actually, I'm thinking about starting Latisse. I used to use it before, and it really helped grow my lashes. Okay, moving on. So now that I did that, I'm gonna apply my Cover FX powder. This is in G+50, and I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes. Usually I just put the lighter color in around like the center of my face. And I'll put the darker color like everywhere else. Okay. I'm gonna use this is Fenty Beauty Mule Ginger Binge as my blush today. I'm going to use this color more. This is the Mule. I'm going to put that right here. It out a little bit, and that's it. I don't always like to contour. I feel like I kind of don't need it so much because it just breaks up my face. Sometimes I do it, not always. My nose, I think it would be a good idea to do my nose just to bring back the contour. So I'm gonna do a little bit of that. I'm gonna use this NYX No Filter in Deep Golden. I'm just gonna put a little bit here. I'm more like blush, mascara, lipstick, you know, like usually like my 5 favorite is like powder, blush, mascara, lipstick, and a little bit of eyeshadow. But really I could go with, like, I won't necessarily need the eyeshadow, but I definitely will put powder. I will put like blush, lipstick. It's more powder than blush, lipstick, mascara are like must-haves for me. Eyeshadow is like on the 5th. And obviously foundation, that's if I really want to, you know. And highlighter, that's like, you know. Okay, so now that I'm done that, I basically, now I think I'm just gonna put on some lipstick. I'm gonna go over like my eyebrows to make sure like there's no powder or anything like on top of it, because that usually is the case. Yeah, there's a whole bunch in foundation. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on lipstick. I have like several different shades here. I think I'm just gonna go with something not too dark on my lips today. Yeah, so I'm gonna go with this MAC. It's like, what color is it? It's called Creme Sheen, I think Nippin. Okay, whatever. It's like basically almost done, so I'm gonna take like a brush, like a lip brush, and brush it on. I like it though. It's like one of my favorites. Like for like, you know, during the day, every day. So you see that? And it's just what I like. And then I have like this lip gloss that I'm gonna put on top. It's like a sparkly type of lip gloss that I got from my beauty supply store, Diamond Glow lip gloss. I'm just gonna put on top. And yeah, I think I'm good. So yeah, this is my look. You know, usually I will like start to get oily throughout the day, so I might just like blot it with some napkins or something like that, maybe touch up a little bit with the lipstick and everything like that if I eat or whatever. But this is usually, you know, just like a regular day look. So I really hope that you enjoyed. If you have any questions about any of the products, just ask me down below, comment down below, you know, let me know if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate all your support. But yeah, so that's about all I have for you today, and yeah, I will see you in the next one.